Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review another cake here from Ribbons and Balloons, which is a Mr. Bear cake with rich chocolate filling. So this is another new product from Ribbons and Balloons, which is available online on Amazon, and today we are going to try it out. So guys, starting off with the packaging of the product, it comes packaged in this plastic wrapper right here with the Ribbons and Balloons branding right on top. So let me tell you, Ribbons and Balloons is a very popular cake brand in Mumbai, and this is their product, which is a Mr. Bear cake with rich chocolate filling. So we can see the branding right on top. Then the name of the product is here, which is Mr. Bear. Then it says cake with rich chocolate filling, and the MRP of the cake is mentioned on the front of the pack itself, ₹15. And they've shown an illustration of the cake as well, like it's shaped in the form of a teddy bear right here, and they've shown some chocolate, melted chocolate around it. It's a pure vegetarian cake, so a vegetarian symbol here. Moving on the sides, again we can see the Ribbons and Balloons branding right here, Mr. Bear written here, cake with rich chocolate filling, and the pure vegetarian symbol shown here. There's a similar thing on the other side as well. Now moving on to the back of the pack. Here we can see the MRP mentioned again, which is ₹15. The net weight of this cake is 35 grams. Shelf life is 3 months from the date of manufacture, which is good enough. Then they are given the ingredients of the cake. So here are the ingredients mentioned. So here they are mentioned the ingredients of the cake, and here they are mentioned the nutritional facts. So every 100 grams provides for 51 grams of carbohydrates, 425 kcals of energy in every 100 grams. So this is a 35 gram pack. So 1/3 of whatever it is going to be, right? Protein is 6.31 grams, sugars are 21.97 grams, fat is 21.74 grams, very high in fat. Then ash 1.52 grams of ash, and moisture is 19.32 grams. Contains added flavors and nature identical and artificial flavoring substances, which is vanilla. So the ingredients are mentioned here. I'm not reading out the ingredients right now, but let's go ahead and open this packet and let's check out the Ribbons and Balloons Mr. Bear cake. So inside the main wrapper we have another packaging right here, which is this container in which the cake is there. Teddy bear shaped cake, you can see here. This is how it looks, shaped as a bear. The leg has just come off. So here the leg has come off, but this is how it looks. Very soft and moist it feels to touch, and I feel there is some chocolate pieces inside. So let's try to break it open. So here there's this chocolate filling, which is very hard, I think, right now. Like if we, I think, heat the cake, it might melt. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do a taste test of the cake. Nice and soft cake, similar taste to that of the Britannia slice cake that you used to get. Similar taste, vanilla sponge. And then inside there is this chocolate, melted chocolate inside, which is also present. So overall taste wise, yes, a good cake. If you have small sweet cravings, then definitely this is something you can go and try for. A good tasting cake this is. So overall I like the taste of the cake. It was pretty decent, not something over the top, something very new and amazing. But yeah, something that will keep your kids happy. It's in a funny teddy bear shape and all of that, so it's a good thing for the kids. So yeah, that's my review about the cake. I find it an okay cake, nothing that great about it, but good at a price of ₹15. And guys, if you all have looking to buy this product, it's available online on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.